Hello everyone, welcome in this video lecture. Myself Bhaskar Ankush. Today we are going to see what are the organomercury compounds, their physical and chemical properties and structure of the organomercury compounds. It is the one type of or example of organometallic compounds. These organomercury compounds means the compound which consists of the organic part and mercury as a metal. There are in our syllabus for BSc third year semester 5, there are these 5 organometallic compounds: organolithium, organotin, organomercury, organoaluminium and organotitanium compounds. Before this we have seen these two types are organolithium compounds and organotin compounds. Now in this lecture we are going to study the organomercury compounds, and in the next lecture we will see these two organometallic compounds. Now we are going to see what are the organomercury compounds. Organomercury compound is nothing but the organometallic compound containing the carbon mercury bond or bond between the carbon atom and mercury metal are called as organomercury compounds. There are large number of organomercury compounds having, they are of two types, that is R2Hg and RHgX. In these compounds, this mercury have the +2 oxidation state. Hg plus ion is called as mercurous ion and Hg2 plus are called as mercury ion. There are these two types of organomercury compounds. We will see the different methods of preparation of these organomercury compounds. The first organomercury compound was prepared by Franklin by the reaction of methyl iodide and mercury under the sunlight. This CH3, that is methyl iodide, when react with mercury in presence of sunlight, it gives methyl mercury iodide or different alkyl mercury halides. The second example of this preparation method, organomercury compound can be prepared by the action of sodium amalgam on alkyl halide. This alkyl halide, when react with this mercury in presence of sodium amalgam, it gives dialkyl mercury as an organomercury compound. The third method, this can be prepared by the direct replacement of hydrogen by mercury from this hydrocarbons. It may be alkane or aromatic compounds. From this hydrogen atom is replaced by this mercury, and hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom from this is hydrocarbon and halogen, it releases HX. This X may be any halogen atom, chlorine, bromine, etc. It is also can be prepared from the Grignard reagent. Reaction of this Grignard reagent RMGX with the mercury chloride, it gives this alkyl mercury chloride. Other examples are this RMGX react with alkyl mercury. This previous, हे बघा पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये जो तयार केलाय एक अल्किल ग्रुप अल्किल मर्क्युरी क्लोराइड, याची रिएक्शन परत दुसऱ्या ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंटच्या दुसऱ्या मॉलिक्यूल सोबत रिएक्शन केल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला हा दुसरा प्रकारचा डायअल्किल किंवा डायसब्स्टिट्यूटेड डायल्किल मर्क्युरी कंपाऊंड मिळेल. The physical properties of these organomercury compounds are diaryl compounds, that is Ar2Hg of mercury, are solid state. They are in the solid state and they are readily soluble in the organic solvent because they are non-polar. Therefore, they are soluble in organic solvent. And this type of, that is alkyl mercury halides compound, are crystalline solids whose properties depends upon the CX, nature of the CX. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine or hydroxide. Then compound is covalent or non-polar and more soluble in organic solvent. If the CX is SO4 2 minus or NO3 minus, then it is salt like and then it will be stable in the polar solvent. हे बघा, जर याच्या अगोदर पण मी सांगितले की लाईट डिझॉल्व लाईक हा रूल असतो. म्हणजे पोलार कंपाऊंड असतील तर ते पोलार सॉल्व्हंट मध्ये डिझॉल्व होत असतात आणि नॉन पोलार कंपाऊंड असतील, कोव्हॅलंट कंपाऊंड असतील तर ते नॉन पोलार सॉल्व्हंट मध्ये म्हणजेच बेन्झीन, टोलिन अशा कंपाऊंड मध्ये, हेक्झेन अशा कंपाऊंड मध्ये ते सॉल्व्हंट मध्ये डिझॉल्व होत असतात. These compounds are unaffected by the action of air, water because of low polarity of the CHG bond and the low affinity of mercury towards the oxygen atom. म्हणजे हवेमध्ये जो काय असतो, ऑक्सिजन असतो, त्याच्यासोबत HG ची जास्त रिएक्शन होत नाही आणि कार्बन आणि मर्क्युरी याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी डिफरन्स जास्त नसल्यामुळे ते लेस पोलार आहे. त्यामुळे वॉटर किंवा एअरची याच्यावरती रिएक्शन सहजासहजी होत नाही. These are photochemically and thermally unstable due to low bond strength. The chemical properties nothing but the chemical reaction or action of various different compounds with this organomercury compound. It is organomercury compounds are used to add organic group like silicon, arsenic, boron halides, etc. In this reaction is a interchange of this mercury or alkyl group. This dimercury alkyl, याच्यामध्ये काय बघायचं, याच्या अगोदर काय बघितलं आपण, हा जो ऑर्गॅनोमर्क्युरी कंपाऊंड आहे हा कसा तयार करायचा, आणि यामध्ये काय बघायचं, जो ऑर्गॅनोमर्क्युरी कंपाऊंड आहे त्यांची वेगवेगळ्या रिएजंट सोबत काय रिएक्शन होते आणि काय प्रोडक्ट होतं. When this reacts, dimethyl mercury reacts with arsenic chloride, it gives methyl arsenic dichloride. Next reaction of this compound is when it reacts with the other metal like barium, magnesium, lithium, zinc, aluminum, it forms the organometallic compounds of these metals, corresponding metal. When this reacts, dimethyl mercury react with magnesium, it forms dimethyl magnesium. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, फक्त हा मर्क्युरी मेटल हा रिप्लेसमेंट होईल किंवा एक्सचेंज ऑफ मेटल. दिस dimethyl mercury reacts with barium, it gives dimethyl barium. हे एकाच ग्रुप मधले एलिमेंट आहेत, मॅग्नेशियम आणि बेरिलियम म्हणून, आणि यांची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट पण +2 असते आणि याची पण +2 असते. म्हणून याच्यामध्ये तेवढेच अल्किल ग्रुप असतात जेवढे यामध्ये आहेत अगोदरच्या कंपाऊंड. This when it react, this RHGX, that is alkyl mercury halide, react with potassium iodide, it gives dialkyl mercury. This one, हे बघा, ethyl mercury iodide reacts with 2 molecules of potassium iodide, it gives diethyl mercury as a product. This mercury alkyl are decomposed by HCl. Dialkyl mercury react with HCl, it gives, म्हणजे काय होईल, याच्यातला एक अल्किल आणि हा Cl, हायड्रोजन जाईल. This alkyl group in this reaction, one of the alkyl group is replaced by this chlorine atom. The applications of the this compound, organomercury compounds, they are used as a therapeutic agents, that is a treatment of for any disease, for curing it with the use of drugs or chemical medicines are called as therapeutic agents. These are also used as a antiseptic. Now we will see this is the structure of the organomercury compound. It may be alkyl or aryl complex of mercury with the general formula, this RHGX, that is alkyl mercury halides or dialkyl mercury. It has a linear structure with the bond angle 180 degree. For example, this one is a methyl magnesium chloride. This is the structure of this diphenyl mercury compound, and this is the dimethyl. म्हणजे हे दोन प्रकारचे असतात, एक RHGX, तर त्याचं एक्झाम्पल आहे मिथिल मर्क्युरी क्लोराइड, आणि हा जो दुसरा प्रकार आहे R2HG डायल्किल मर्क्युरी, तर याचे एक्झाम्पल हे आहेत डायफिनिल मर्क्युरी आणि डायमिथिल मर्क्युरी. तर इथं आपण थांबू, नंतरचा जो काय आहे हा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये बघू. या ठिकाणी आपले 3 ऑर्गॅनोमेटॅलिक कंपाऊंड्स हा झालेला आहे, ऑर्गॅनोलिथियम, ऑर्गॅनोटीन आणि आता पाहिलं आपण ऑर्गॅनोमर्क्युरी. यानंतर 2 राहिलेले आहेत, ऑर्गॅनो ॲल्युमिनियम आणि ऑर्गॅनो टिटॅनियम कंपाऊंड्स. हे आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये पाहणार. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.